When winter hits hard and the snow starts piling up, a trusty snow shovel just won't cut it. That's where a reliable snowblower comes in, your ultimate weapon against the whiteout. Whether you're clearing a small driveway or managing a large property buried under heavy snow, the right snowblower can save you time, effort, and back pain. But with so many options out there, gas-powered, electric, cordless, single-stage, two-stage, and even three-stage machines. So in this video, we have compiled a list and reviewed the top 7 best snowblowers you can buy in 2025. For more information on the products, we have included links in the description box below. Let's get started. Number 7, Ryobi 40 VHP 2-stage self-propelled snowblower kit. Driveways come in all shapes and sizes, and they don't all call for an extra large snowblower. With a 22-inch wide cutting path, this small snowblower from Ryobi may not be as big as some of the models we tested, but it still makes a substantial dent on each pass. The tires have great traction, and the machine also has a steel auger, speedy drive system, and skids for raising the blade over gravel. In testing, the Ryobi's ease of use and ability to maneuver in tight spaces were a bonus. It turned and pivoted without resistance, and the drive system was powerful enough that we didn't need to push much. According to the manufacturer, the batteries last up to 30 minutes, but ours went even longer in light snow. For the average driveway, that's more than sufficient to get the job done, but for wet and heavy snow or large properties, it may make sense to pick up an extra battery to avoid waiting for a recharge. Number 6, Toro PowerSmart HD 828 OAE 2-stage gas snowblower. Thanks to its joystick-like controls, wide coverage, and ability to handle deeper snowfall than many other 2-stage models, the Toro PowerSmart 828 OAE snowblower is ideal for climates with heavy snowfalls every winter. Its large intake sits above the ground, enabling use on gravel and uneven surfaces, and it has a broad 28-inch swath that can clear snow up to 21 inches deep and throw it an impressive 45 feet. During testing, this model performed exceptionally well. Its quick stick controls and power steering made one-handed turning easy, and its knobby 16-inch tires provided ample traction in slick conditions. The anti-clogging system efficiently managed snow intake to prevent delays, and its LED headlight was helpful for nighttime snowblowing. It also has solid skids to adjust blade height above the ground, making it suitable for rough terrain. Number 5, SnowJoe 48V18 Ionmax single-stage snowblower. If you're seeking an economical single-stage snowblower with plenty of power, simple operational features, and great performance, this could be the model for you. Powered by 2 rechargeable 24-volt batteries, this SnowJoe delivers up to 40 minutes of runtime to move more than 10 tons of snow per charge. Weighing just 39 pounds, this cordless snowblower is easy to push around and manage. While it doesn't have a drive or propulsion system, the 18-inch rubber-tipped auger helps it move forward while working through snow. This large auger also aids it in cutting a 10-inch deep path noticeably faster than some other models we tested. It throws snow well past the 20-foot mark claimed by the manufacturer and has a helpful set of LED headlights to increase visibility in dark conditions. As an affordable electric single-stage model, the SnowJoe proved functional and consistent in a variety of conditions. The batteries also charge quickly, about 2 hours, making it possible to get back up and running without long delays. We didn't need to wait through a recharge during testing, however, because the batteries lasted through each full session. Number 4, Ego Power Plus 24 Snowblower with Peak Power. Whether snow is piling up on a sidewalk, patio, or even a gravel driveway, this battery-powered snowblower is powerful enough to push through. We were initially skeptical about its capabilities, but its 2-stage system had no problem scooping and throwing snow up to 50 feet, and the self-propelled wheels made it incredibly easy to maneuver. The batteries on this unit provide enough power for up to 135 minutes before needing recharging, providing ample time for most jobs. While it weighs more than many other electric models, the powerful drive system handles the extra pounds easily. It also has a generous 200-degree adjustable chute and bright onboard headlights for increased safety and visibility. As much as we liked this model, operating it took a little getting used to since the throttle and auger controls are reversed from normal. Once we got the hang of it, we found adjusting the throttle from Eco to Turbo allowed it to handle everything we threw at it. Still, running it on Eco mode generally provided enough power for standard clearing and also helped maximize runtime. While we did experience a stall when we buried the auger in extremely heavy snow too quickly, this wasn't an issue when we ran things at low speed. Number 3, Cadet 2X30. Max Snowblower. For those with consistently high snow removal needs, Cub Cadet's 2X 30-inch gas-powered snowblower might be the answer. Equipped with a 355.7C engine, a 2-stage removal system, and self-propelled. Wheels. This large model is built to power through heavy snow with minimal effort. Its heavy-duty construction features a rotating steel chute with easy access angle controls built into the top panel, plus onboard headlights for safety and visibility during snowy nights or early mornings. Yes, the Cub Cadet is expensive, but during testing, it proved its worth. We pushed it through our heaviest snowdrifts and banks, and it powered through without hesitation. Its power steering and 16-inch knobby tires made it easy to maneuver, even in deep snow, and the large engine delivered power far beyond every other model we tested. We also really like the heated hand grips, but who wouldn't? If you need a capable snowblower for big jobs in deep snow, the Cub Cadet is an excellent option. Number 2, PowerSmart 2-stage gas snow blower. Budget-minded shoppers will want to take a close look at the PowerSmart 2-stage snow blower, a model that offers many desirable features found in higher-end models at a more modest price. While it may not be the best choice for especially extreme conditions, it's plenty capable of clearing the occasional big storm and all light to medium snow loads, with an intake height of 20 inches and a high-speed impeller that works well. In dense snow, this machine performs well in dense snow. It also excels on uneven surfaces and inclines, thanks to a quality drive system that includes reverse options. During testing, its 200 TEC engine ran smoothly, and the electric star made it easy to fire up Erie time. Once we were clearing, it even threw snow through the adjustable chute with power that matched models costing twice as much. This model stands out as one of only a few low-cost snowblowers that deliver both powerful performance and user-friendly. Functionality. It's only slightly more expensive than a heavy-duty electric snow shovel, yet it's more than enough machine to clear the average driveway with ease. Number 1, Troy-Bilt 2890 Storm Tracker Snowblower. The Troy-Bilt Storm Tracker makes clearing snow on paved gravel or dirt surfaces easier than ever. With its 28-inch clearing width, powerful auger and drive system, and tracks for superior traction, this machine is an absolute beast in big storms. The 272 cubic centimeter cc motor has plenty of power for big jobs, and the many drive settings allow for perfect speed control. The pull cord start required only 1 or 2 pulls, and the electric start fired immediately. During our tests on loose substrate, this snowblower with tracks maintained excellent surface contact and pushed forward with ease. The same was true on icy surfaces. It has adjustable skids to set the lower blade height, and its settings adjust. Even further, with a lever that quickly raises or lowers the blade. When working through gravel and rocky areas, this user-friendly system was a huge benefit. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up, leaving a comment, and subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell icon so you never miss out on our latest videos.